Another day of eating boring plain food, and having to avoid all the foods you enjoy eating. This is what it can feel like sometimes, if you suffer with heartburn. Hi and welcome to 3-Minute Health. Today we have 5 simple remedies for heartburn. So if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, so you can stay up to date with all our latest content. Heartburn occurs when acid from your stomach enters the esophagus. This can occur when the lower esophageal sphincter becomes weak, and allows food and stomach acid back into the esophagus. If you want to avoid heartburn, there are a few steps you can take, like staying away from carbonated drinks and not laying down after eating. We are not going to go into avoidance techniques today. We will look at what you can do if you already have heartburn. Number 5 is chewing gum. Just simply chewing some sugar-free gum can make a difference to how bad your heartburn feels. If you can chew some gum for 30 minutes, it will stimulate your salivary glands to produce more saliva and wash the acid away. Number 4 is loosen your clothing and sit up straight. It may sound odd to say, loosen your clothing, but heartburn is caused by food and stomach acid re-entering the esophagus. So if you are wearing tight clothing, you could be squeezing your stomach and forcing food and stomach acid back into the esophagus. Number 3 is eat a banana. Bananas have natural antacid properties. If heartburn is a regular problem, then eat a fully ripened banana daily. You can use other fruit as well, as long as it isn't citrus. If you don't like bananas, you can always eat an apple or some melon. Number 2 is ginger tea. Ginger is a widely used root for all kinds of ailments, and its beneficial properties have been well known for years. The best way to use it for heartburn is to slice it and boil in a pan with water for 30 minutes. Strain out the ginger slices and drink. If the taste of ginger is too strong for you, consider adding some raw honey to sweeten it. The honey will also provide a soothing effect. You can make up a large batch and store it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 days. It doesn't matter if you drink it hot or cold, but for the best results, drink some as soon as you start feeling the sensation of heartburn. And lastly, our top remedy is baking soda. Baking soda can neutralize your stomach acid, so even if it enters your esophagus you won't feel the sensation of heartburn. Just dissolve 1 teaspoon in a glass of water and drink. You can do this several times a day, but please remember, baking soda has a high sodium content. If you suffer from high blood pressure, you should not overuse this method. Occasional heartburn is uncomfortable, but isn't considered to be worrying. But if you find your heartburn is becoming more frequent and feels more intense, then it could be a symptom of something else, and you should consult your doctor. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.